was getting real jelly and feeling real FOMO with all these photos and videos that they were posting on the Insta of their different curly hair textures, and I was just really fiending for some curly hair. And I ended up buying me some. So we're gonna do a first impression unboxing today. Welcome back to my channel. I got some goodies for you all today. I did a naughty and ended up doing something I told myself I was not gonna do, and that is buy some more hair. I played myself. I told myself I wasn't gonna do it anymore and that I was gonna cut back because I just bought hair, Avi. But Yummy did a like semi-annual sale, but like that's besides the point, let's be honest. Yummy has a sale every other month. The hair I ended up buying with them this time around was their raw deep wavy Burma. Now this texture has been out for like a bit. Like I believe she dropped like last year. She was super cute. I've been really eyeing her and I kept telling myself, I'm not gonna buy more hair. I gotta cut myself off. I can't be spending like grands on hair every year. When this is such good quality hair, it's lasting me. It's like I got multiple wigs. I'm good.
Why the lying? Why you always lying?
I admit, eyes got problems. So basically, I'm gonna make me a curly hair wig and I'm real excited. I got her in a 22, a 24, which I had to buy like separately because during the sale, she was sold out already, and like literally after the sale, like a week later, she was back in stock. Hashtag a little annoyed, but that's okay. And then I got it in a 26 and two 28. And then the frontal has not been in stock for a hot second because I kept saying I wasn't gonna buy anything, but you know I was eyeing just in case, and hasn't been restocked in a while. So the closest thing I could get to it was their version loose curly HD lace front. So we're just gonna pray to Jesus that she matches to make it work here. And that frontal I got in 18. Hopefully they all coincide, but we'll see. Of course, with Yummy, the quality is there for sure, but I want to let you guys know if you're going to pay for quality, like legit, this is my invoice. I ain't gonna play, y'all. She was expensive. For this curly hair, this is the most expensive wig I'll be making ever. Altogether, she cost me $1,200. No lie, she cost me $1,200. No way at all like sponsored. So I ain't gonna lie to you all about my feelings concerning this hair because she was expensive. But getting into their packaging, them starting like that big order I did came in this beautiful packaging. This is a first for them concerning their bundles. So this is the first time like I ordered like 5 all at once, like a frontal and then like 4. So I was like, maybe this is just their new thing, but they all come in like that cute little silk packaging that they always do. So I'll just pull all those out. But I mean, I appreciate the added effort because normally I just get these little silk packets in that FedEx Express bag, just like I got this one. So I appreciate them stepping up their life and giving a little added detail to their packaging. I don't know if it was just because it's their semi-annual or what, but all the same, dropping $1,200 selling wasn't that great. No offense. I mean, I'm happy to save myself $100. I think I saved myself basically $100, but it wasn't like a semi-annual sale where you're literally slashing prices in half. No, I think altogether I saved myself $100 altogether, to be honest. But what was added in this bag, which I've never gotten from them before concerning like added goodies, their information was thrown in there concerning like their thank you that you'll always get, and then their Yummy extensions, like how to take care of it. I've never gotten like samples with them before. And with this one, this is that Miley Moisture RX. I got the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Butter, and then a leave-in conditioner as well. Obviously, these are products that they're promoting to like be used with the hair, so we'll see how that goes. And then I got this little lovely gift right here concerning this makeup bag, which is really, really nice. I was rather surprised. Get the noise out the way. Now, I've told you guys I've purchased Love Me hair before, and Love Me, like, they do little goodies like this often. Like, every time I buy hair with them, I get some type of, like, lashes, lip gloss, things like that. They like to give little goodies, but this is a first for Yummy concerning giving a bag, and I think she's cute. She got possibilities for sure. I don't know what I'm going to use her for. She probably will be a store and like hair bag for me concerning these bundles, because I'm not going to jump straight into making this wig, but I will soon. And then, of course, like, they threw some confetti and stuff like that in there. I thought that was cute. And then when I bought my 24, it was back to their old ways where it's just thrown in the box. I mean, they did try, since it was, I guess they had some leftover, so they threw it in the FedEx.
Just throw it in the bag.
That was interesting, because I never had that done before. But then it was just a normal, like, you get the bundle in the silk baggie, and that's it. You're paying $20 for shipping, and they always get it to you within 2-3 business days from once it's finally processed. A week after I got the other hair, which is always beautiful. That's always nice. Let's start showing some hair. Alrighty, really excited. So first off, let's show off the frontal. Like I said, they did not have the frontal that was to match the wefts right now, so it's not like I missed out on anything, like it got restocked later. I was like, as close as I can possibly get is this loose curl. So this is the frontal. She's gonna be an 18. Her curls are super tight, but as always in true Yummy fashion, she smells rather delightful. Like, not the same perfume smell I'm normally used to them with, concerning like their shampoo conditioner that they use doesn't have that same scent. She don't smell like dog or nothing like that, and she's super soft. Oh my gosh, this time around I am not gonna be scared. I met with my last Yummy frontal, because that was the first frontal I ever bought with them, and the most expensive frontal I've ever purchased, because usually I just got my frontals from Love Me. Because of that, the girl was a little fearful, because I'm paying twice as much as I would for a frontal normally with Love Me, and I did not want to bleach the knots. But I fully admit I am not that girl that can live that life to sit there and cover up knots every day. It's just not fun. It's not productive. I feel like it gets cakey looking very quick and just really noticeable. I just don't want to do it. So with this one, I believe in just all the powers that be, that Jesus got me, and that this time I'm not gonna be scared.
I'm not gonna be scared no more.
And I'm just gonna go ahead and bleach it, because I have practiced multiple times. I think I know what I'm doing to not be scared. And I'm gonna at least like bleach like half of her, like the frontal area. Like, I don't mind going back and concealing towards the back with the part, but that front part of the hairline, she will get bleached. As you see, she's super cute, really soft and curly, and I love it. I'm super excited for this wig. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to make it. Now let's look at these bundles with this raw Burma. Now they say this hair is like so soft, so silky, easy to take care of concerning curly hair. I mean, everyone knows. If you don't know, this is me letting you know now. Curly hair, it's hard work, it's upkeep, and like you gotta moisturize her right and stuff like that. They say like Burma treats you right, you gonna get good results with her. And so this is the 22. Okay, I'm not hating. I'm just super excited for curly hair. I have not had like curly hair in forever. And for sure, like off the bat, comparing bundles to frontal, this curl pattern does seem a lot tighter. This curl pattern, to be honest, does not look like the curl pattern that is specified like on the website and what videos I've seen of those who've already owned it. But like, this is me obviously just opening it. I have read one comment where someone was like, okay, I just bought the same hair and the curl pattern does not at all look like what I'm seeing concerning other photos and other reviews. And Yummy did respond back saying that like once you wash it, like co-wash it, and like it gets wet, it does draw up and make that curl pattern. So I'm assuming the reason it looks so loose is because of just simply the packaging. But that's basically how she looks. This is the 22 for you. This is my 24 that I went back and purchased because it was not in stock during the sale. Got these jigs wrapped nice. Oh, see, she's got a good curl pattern. You see it a little more on this one than the other one.
Ooh, she pretty.
Does she match up color-wise since I could not buy them together? Oh, they still match very well. It's just getting it crimped up together once it's sewn in. Honestly, this curl pattern looks real tight outside of what it normally looks like concerning videos I've seen of the loose curl. So I'm thinking if she's gonna draw up tighter than this because she's wrapped around, and she's gonna relax more than this, is what my hypothesis is when I go in and make this wig. So that's a 22, that's a 24. To be honest, I was gonna try so hard not to buy and do 5 bundles because, like, obviously with curly hair, you don't need as many bundles as you would normally do with straighter hair because just of the volume the curl does. But I admit I failed and I have 5 bundles altogether because I like my hair good and thick, and I was too afraid not to have enough hair. So that's why I went back into the 24, which makes it 5 bundles and a frontal. This is a 26. Oh, yes. And plus, I did longer inches than I normally do. Like, the longest I've done with Yummy is 24 with their straight hair as well as their wavy hair. In that previous video I did a review for. So because I knew the curly hair would draw up, but I still wanted to have like good length, good hang time. That's why I went ahead and did like the 26 and the 28s because I wanted that length there. But with that, you do get less wefts with that, like concerning the length of your weft. The longer your hair gets, the shorter your weft will be. So that's why also I felt like confident in just going ahead and doing 5 bundles, and that it wouldn't necessarily be too heavy or too much. It'd just be just right. Y'all know me, I like thick, big hair. To me, this is my hair flat.
Like, she getting on my nerve. I wish she was a little bigger right now, but she on the flatter side, but this is that straight hair.
With the 24 inches, I know I had got more wefts with it too, but doing this 26 and 28, I know my track's not going to be as long, so I should be okay. It shouldn't be like massive, but
I ain't mad at it because I want long hair.
Now this is the 28 for you, and of course I bought 2 28s. I wanted to cover my bases and make sure she's good and thick.
Oh, I'm so excited. Look how long that is. What? Girl. Yeah, I'm gonna be feeling myself.
I'm feeling myself.
I'm gonna be feeling some kind of way. Like, I already admit it. If I come up, once my hair is done and this is like made to the wig and on my head, if I come back to kind of extra, just know that it's the hair doing it. Like, I mean it. It's the hair making me do other things.
But she's super soft. She does smell delightful. Thank you, Jesus. The bundles I meant smell better than the frontal. The frontal,
She don't stink, but she don't smell the same.
they're super, super soft. For sure. It's so hard. I mean, I don't think that they're really thin at the bottom because, you know, Yummy's good for making sure you got your thickness from weft to tip. I don't feel like I have like really thin ends. Honestly, I've experienced with other curly hair back in the day. That's all I used to wear. So like, I'm excited to see how thick this is. Let's just put them all together. Let's get a look at how much hair is about to be installed in my head. And this is just the wefts, brah. You guys, like, she gonna be so good and thick. I'm real excited. I'm real happy. I was concerned that maybe I had too much hair, but this is about as much as I normally put in my head. That's about right, because this frontal, I got a big head. She only gonna literally cover my forehead, and that's it. So, ooh, super excited. This is my first unboxing. I don't think I've ever did an unboxing on my channel, so this is rather exciting. If you guys got questions, I got answers. to the best of my ability, of course. If you all want any videos on how I prep my hair to make into a wig and like what I use, like definitely hit me up, drop a comment down below, like I got you, because of course before I install this onto a wig cap, I'll be bleaching my knots. Like I said, I ain't gonna be afraid this time. I always seal my wefts. I don't care how good you say your hair is. The wefts are going to get sealed with me because I want my wigs to, for one, last me a year if not more, and I always am able to get my hair to last years, so she will get sealed. Now that is everything for this unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed. Girl, I'm so excited for this hair. I literally have not had curly hair in like 2 years and I really miss it. I'm tired of coveting after all these other people posting photos and videos of their hair looking so lit. It's my turns. It's my turns. Definitely, if you have not subscribed, go ahead, join the family, because your girl's gonna have more videos on this beautiful hair from Yummy. Hopefully vlogging and giving y'all some insight in how I make my wig. So if y'all want to see that, let me know. I'm real excited. I'm super excited. But I want to stop sitting here and talk about how excited I am and let y'all go. You all take care. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.